Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file court documents in The Sims 4. First, ensure your game has the necessary mods installed, as this functionality isn't part of the base game. You'll need a mod like Sims 4 Private Practice or a similar legal career mod to access court-related interactions. Once installed, load your game and select the household you wish to play. Make sure your sim has a career path that involves legal proceedings. After setting up your sim, the next step is to prepare your case. Your sim will need to gather evidence, interview clients, and collect testimonies relevant to their legal matter. Use your sim's computer to draft the necessary legal documents, such as complaints or motions. Pay close attention to detail, ensuring all information is accurate and complete before moving forward with the filing process. Now it's time to submit your carefully prepared documents. Travel to the designated courthouse lot within your game world. Once there, look for the specific non-player character, or NPC, responsible for document filing. Interact with them to initiate the submission process. Be prepared to pay any required filing fees, which might be around 500 simoleons, to complete this crucial step. After filing, your sim will need to patiently await court dates and the eventual outcome of their case. Remember to manage your sim's needs, like stress and energy, as legal work can be demanding. Sometimes, documents might be rejected. Simply review and resubmit. And speaking of enhancing your experience, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring your space to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.